Hello dear students, today we will solve exercise 5.1 question first. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progressions and why? इस क्वेश्चन में हमें लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. वी हैव टू फाइंड दीज नंबर्स. लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स मेक एन अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस. अगर वो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस बना रही हैं तो आपने रीज़न भी बताना है कि क्यों. द फर्स्ट question, taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 kilometer, 50 rupees for the first kilometer. Fare for the first 1 kilometer is 50 rupees and rupees 8 for the each additional kilometer. Let Tn denotes a taxi fare in n kilometers. हमने Tn लिया है जो n किलोमीटर के लिए टैक्सी फेयर को डिनोट कर रहा है. तो सो फॉर द 1 किलोमीटर हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि 1 किलोमीटर के लिए टैक्सी फेयर कितना है 50 रुपीज़. फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 किलोमीटर्स मीन्स फॉर द 2 किलोमीटर फॉर द फर्स्ट 1 किलोमीटर इज 50 रुपीज़. फॉर द अनदर 1 किलोमीटर टैक्सी फेयर इज 8 रुपीज़. सो टोटल फेयर फॉर द 2 किलोमीटर्स 23. नाउ सिमिलरली फॉर द 3 किलोमीटर्स फॉर द 2 किलोमीटर टैक्सी फेयर इज 23. फॉर अनदर 1 किलोमीटर 8 रुपीज़ एड. सो 31 रुपीज़ फॉर द अनदर 3 kilometer for the taxi fare. Now 4 kilometer taxi fare is for 3 kilometer 31. For next 1 kilometer 8 rupees. So 39 rupees. Now T1, T2, T3 and T4 are the taxi fare for the 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer. Now these are terms. The list of numbers, I think T1, T2, T3, T4 are said to be a list of numbers like 15, 23, 31, 39. All these are list of numbers. Now we have to find these list of numbers make a arithmetic progressions. How to check if common difference is same for all these numbers, then it is said to these list of numbers make an arithmetic progressions. Now check these numbers. How to find the list of numbers? Always subtract preceding term from the successive term, like T2 minus T1, like T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, like this. Now question in first part D is T2 minus T1. T2 is second term minus first term. 23rd minus 15, that is 8. For the next two terms means third term minus second term. For the 3 kilometers, for the 2 kilometers, 31 minus 23, 8. For the next 4 kilometers, that is T4 minus T3, that is also 39 minus 31, that is 8. In all these number of terms, the common difference is same, that is these all in all parts D is same, that is 8. So given situation forms an AP. Now question second. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. We are given in this question एक सिलेंडर में टोटल एयर सपोज कर लो x प्रेजेंट है. When we remove vacuum pump from the cylinder, तो 1/4 of air जो है सिलेंडर में से रिमूव हो जाती है. Let Tn denotes the amount of air present in the cylinder. Let T1 is in starting. T1 term means starting में सिलेंडर में जो air amount of air that is x. Now for the T2 means when the vacuum pump removed from the cylinder, now air present in remaining air present in the cylinder, that is x is total air present in the cylinder. When we have removed the vacuum pump, 1/4 of air is moved from the cylinder, that is 1/4 of air, that is air present in the cylinder. Now 1/4 of x air is moved from the cylinder. Now remaining air is taking LCM x for 4x minus 1x, that is 3x by 4. Now for the second T2 second time, the air amount of air present in the cylinder is 3x by 4. Now third time, when the again vacuum pump is removed from the cylinder. Now total air in cylinder is now 3x by 4. Now vacuum pump is removed, so 1/4 of air is removed of total air. Total air is 3x by 4. That is, now amount of air present in cylinder is 3x by 4 minus 3x by 16, taking LCM 16 as LCM. So 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12 minus 3x, that is 9x by 16. So we can find all for the 4 times, for the 5 times, so on. And now we have to check these list of numbers make a arithmetic progressions. Now for this we have to subtract T2 minus T1 for the second time minus first time air present in amount of air present in the cylinder. For second time amount of air in cylinder is 3x by 4. For the first time is x. So taking the difference as taking 4 as LCM, 3x minus 4x, that is taking 4 as LCM, 3x here minus x by 4. Now for again, now subtracting from the third time is T3 minus T2. Third time air present in the cylinder is 9x by 16, and for the second time air present in the cylinder is 3x by 4. Now taking LCM as 16, 16 divided 16, that is 1, 1 is multiplied by 9x, 9x minus, similarly 4 is divided by 16, 4, 4 is a 12. Now air present in the gas is now 3x upon 16. Now check these answers. In first case our D is minus x by 4. In second case difference is minus 3x by 16. This is also denoted by D. T2 minus 1, T2 1, T2 minus T1, and D. This is also denoted by D from the when we subtract preceding term from the successive term, then it is denoted by D. Now both values are not same. T3 minus T2 is not equal to T2 minus T1. So given situation, जो हमें सिचुएशन दी गई है, does not form a AP. Form an AP. Now question third. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter. Like first question कि अगर 1 किलोमीटर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए चार्जेस हैं 150 रुपीज, rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. Next, for each meter, charges is 50 rupees for each meter. Now we have to check these list of numbers make an arithmetic progressions. In this question, we also suppose that Tn denotes that cost of digging a well for n meters. Now, अगर n meters के लिए cost कितनी है Tn. Now for the first 1 kilometer के लिए cost of digging a well for 1 meter is cost is given, that is rupees 150. For the next each meter rupees is 50 rupees raised. Now for the next 2 meter, if cost of well for digging 2 meter is 150 for 1 meter, for the 2 kilometer means 1 for another meter, that is 50 rupees charges, extra charges, that is 200 charges. Now 3, if 3 meter for the digging, that is 200 for the 2 meter, for 1 meter extra, that is 50 rupees, 250 for the 3 meter. Similarly T4 means if 4 meter for the cost of digging, that is 250 plus 50, that is 300. Now all these are terms, first 150, 200, 350 and 300. These are list of numbers. Now we have to check these are APs. Now second term minus first term, second term is 200 minus 150, that is rupees 50. For third term minus second term, third term is 250 minus 200, that is also 50, and this is denoted by D. common difference. Now for the third term, T4 minus T3, 300 minus 250, that is 50. In all cases, the common difference is same. D is 50 in all cases. So we can say that given situation forms an AP. Now part fourth. Now the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest 8% per annum. Now amount of money for every year. Now principal value is 10,000 and 8% is rate of interest, or time is 1 year. Now Tn is amount of money in the nth years. Now for the 1 year, according to question, for 1 year amount of money is 10,000, which is given. For 2 years, 10,000 is in account. Now for 1 year, interest will also add up. Now principal is 10,000 for 1 year for 8% rate of interest. Now for 1 year, rate of for interest is 10,000 plus 800. That is for 2 years amount of money in the account is 1080. Now for the 3 years, now money is, we have to pay compound interest, so consider this is a now principal 10800. For the next 1 year, interest is, principal is 10800 into 8% rate of interest, time is 1 year. Now amount for the 3 years is 864, so 11664. Find like this, find for the 4 years, find for the 5 years, so on. Now check these are terms forms a AP. Now first term is 10,000. First list of terms are 10,000. Second term is 10800. Third term is 11664. Check these forms AP. Now first T2 minus T1 means second minus third. First, sorry, 1080 minus 10,000, which is the common difference is 800. Now for the third term minus second term means for the third year minus second year. Third year amount is 11664. For second year amount is 10800. So common difference is 864. Now in both cases, common difference is not same. T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. So this given situation does not form an AP. If the common difference is same, then it forms an AP. If common difference is not same, then it is said to be, it does not form an AP. Thank you.